Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we're on week 16. And our prompts for this week is a playing card either side, and I've got this altered playing card, cursive writing, and I just wrote on this label, just an ordinary day. And I'm thinking outside of the box on this one because I kind of had a little bit of problem with it. An image with 2 shades of green. I've got this image, and then I've got my background image. Something representing aviation. I've got this tail end of a plane. A piece of a restaurant menu, and this is another outside of the box because, you know, with online, I don't have menus. And so this has part of a menu on the billboard, so I'm going with that. The bonus is a star, so I went with the Supremes, thinking outside of the box. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. Well, we have had some beautiful weather the last couple of days. It's been kind of cool, but not bad at all. I'm going to trim a little bit of that off. I thought it fit, but it doesn't. Okay. But I really like this kind of weather. Not too hot, not too cold. We had some rough weather earlier on last week. Alright, I'm not going to glue this down yet because I got to figure out where I'm putting everything. So, okay. Now I have my plane. I got this out of my cut and collage book. And I'm going to just add that to the edge. Kind of like that, I think. And I've got this one. I want to kind of cover up those words like they're peeping over, and I think I will distress that just to help it pop out a little bit. Well, I hope everything's been going great in y'all's world. It has been a strange week, weather-wise, eclipse-wise, earthquake-wise. All those things here the last couple of weeks. Okay. So I want to put that there. And I'm thinking I'll put my card just kind of like that. And I'm going to put my billboard kind of like that. And I may kind of trim around that tree. This is bushy. Yeah. Say hi to the nice people. Okay. So I'll probably kind of tuck that around there. And then I'm going to add the Supremes right behind that rabbit, and I think I'll kind of cut around that. So let me grab my smaller cutting board because I can get underneath that, and then I can start laying it down. I have enjoyed my stepping out into surreal and, you know, the scenes of the collages. It's been a lot of fun. I'm just going to kind of go around there, and let's see how this will go. Okay. Here we go. Let's see, I like that. Kind that there. And I'll just put that down with a little bit of art glitter glue. And then just lay this down. Yeah, on this I can just let my imagination go wild, and it's a lot of fun. I remember last year I ended up making my own menu, or year before but I didn't. I don't like that because you know, the menu item, because it's just, you just don't get menus too often. I know you can, but okay. That there. Make sure. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So I find if you just kind of get your own idea about something and just think outside the box, it can be a lot of fun. And it kind of takes the pressure off, where it doesn't have to be so rigid. Okay, tuck that back under there. Oops, make sure it's down flat. What happened? There we go. Put that down. I got this out of the Cut and Collage book that I reviewed the other day. I love the images in it. They're so pretty. And I don't have a problem at all mixing illustration with real. That's another thing that makes it fun. And I love this altered playing card, but I thought the colors went well, and I like the blingy in it. So I'm going to use it. Alright, now I want to get my airplane on, or tail end of my airplane. Add that to the edge. And I've got my label, and I may want to kind of tuck it down in here just a little bit. Oops, I have got to find some blades. And I have this little bird that I wanted to, and that'll help cover up where it tore. thought it was cute and the right size. Alright. Now, I am just going to put my page down. And there we go. Let's see here. I have got my playing card. I've got my cursive writing, because it's just an ordinary day. An image with 2 shades of green. I've got this image, and I've got my tree background image with the trees. Something representing aviation. I've got this tail end of the plane. A piece of a restaurant menu. I've got this sign that has everything on it. And bonus, a star. And I went with the Supremes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, oh, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW16 to see what everyone else has made this week. So until next time, bye y'all.